guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. So in this video I will be showing you guys how I created this fall glam makeup look. We got a halo eye going on, a brown chocolatey lip. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then please continue to watch. So I already primed my eyes with concealer. I always use concealer as my eyeshadow base, and I set it in place with just some setting powder, you know, just like some translucent powder. And the first color I am taking is actually in this Ace Beaute, I think that's how you say it, Ace Beaute palette. This is their Slice of Paradise palette. This is what it looks like on the outside. So pretty, so colorful, and the inside looks like this. In this palette, I'm only taking one shade in this palette, and that's it. And it's going to be this one right here. And I'm just going to take this on a Sigma E25 blending brush. And this is going to be my translucent... What is wrong with me? Translucent color? This is going to be my transition color. Translucent color. Okay. Instead of that brush, I'm taking this Makeup Addiction Pro Blender eyeshadow brush. And excuse my hair, I'm gonna curl it at the end of this video, or I might straighten it. I don't know, it's whatever I'm really feeling like today. Curly, straight, I'm not really sure yet. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So I'm just gonna put this palette to the side. Now I'm gonna take the same brand, but it's a different palette. It's the Classical Paradise, and it looks like this. Very like fall vibes going on here. So in this palette, I'm going to take the shade Soil, which is this pretty burgundy color. And I'm taking this on a Makeup Addiction Diffuse Blender brush and applying this right in the crease. And I'm really gonna put a lot, okay? I'm putting a lot. I'm gonna keep building this up. It looks crazy right now, but of course I'm gonna blend it all out. So after that, you guys, I'm gonna take this shade right here with the same brush, and this shade is called Earth. And I'm going to also apply this to my crease. And it's just gonna deepen up everything. I just went back into the yellow shade I used as my transition color and applied more of that because that burgundy was looking kind of harsh. So just gonna add more of that yellow because I really want that yellow to also stand out. And then I'm gonna go back in with the burgundy color again and add it in my crease. So I'm gonna go ahead and carve, like, you know, the halo, and I use the e.l.f. lifting concealer, HD lifting concealer, and it's in the shade Fair, and I need to get another one. So just gonna apply this on the lid just like that, right in the center. And you want to take a synthetic flat brush, one that looks just like this. Okay, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills 18 brush. It's like fading, but it's the number 18 brush. This is a really, really nice brush to like carve out creases and stuff. This part does take a lot of time. So now that I carved out the halo, you see how harsh it is? You don't want that. You want to go back in with the last color that you applied in your crease. And for me, that is Earth in the Classical Paradise palette. And I'm just going to basically take, this is a pencil brush, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of that concealer. time to add some shimmer, honey. So I'm gonna take the BH Cosmetic Desert Oasis palette. So I'm gonna take the shade Mineral in this palette and apply this to my lid. Of course, you don't have to use all these different palettes. So I'm just gonna take the same Anastasia 18 brush to apply it. So that's really it, and you want to take the pencil brush once again and blend out the edges. Oh, isn't it so pretty, y'all? Let me add some more shimmer to this eye because this one's looking kind of dull. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and did my wing liner. I just used the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. For lashes, I'm using the Lamore lashes. These lashes are super cute, okay? Like, my hair looks so crazy. I'm ready to do my hair. So for skin, you guys, I am using the e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm. And it looks like this. No pawns today. I want to show you guys like some different products, and I actually do like this, but pawns, I still feel like that'll be still my top favorite. This, you just apply it like all over your face, just like this. And it says you can blend it out with like a buffing brush if you want. If not, you can just leave it as is. So for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. So I'm going to take my Makeup Addiction Stippler brush to just blend this all out. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Master Conceal in the shade Medium. I'm just going to apply this with a Anastasia Beverly Hills A4 brush. So I'm just going to blend everything out with this Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. I'm just going to take my Black Radiance setting powder in the shade Banana, and I'm going to set all the places I applied the concealer. And I do really like this powder, you guys. It literally just makes your face look flawless. Next, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face using the ABH Matte Bronzer in the shade Saddle. And I love this bronzer. Oh, and this brush that I'm using, y'all, this brush been with me forever. This is just a large kind of contour brush that I got from Marshall. Then I have the smaller one. I've been using the smaller one in my videos a lot. And this one like came with that in like a set together. For blush, I'm using the Anastasia Blush Kit, and this one is Gradient. And I'm gonna take this shade right here. What's this shade called? This shade is called Vegas. And I'm just applying a little bit of blush with this Real Techniques blush brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and set my makeup with the Covergirl Setting Spray. This is the one that I've been using. So while my makeup is setting, I like to go back in and complete my eyes. So I'm just gonna take that Soil and Earth color in the Classical Paradise palette, and I'm gonna run this on the lower lash line with the same pencil brush that I used to. I told myself earlier, like, I wasn't even feeling like a halo or cut crease or anything. I really wanted to do a soft fall makeup look. But oh my gosh, like it somehow always turns into like a smoky eye or just something more dramatic. But I like it though. It still came out pretty. This is like a fall night out look. I'm just going to apply a lot of mascara. For highlight, I'm going back in with the BH Cosmetic Desert palette. Like, they have this section for eyeshadows and some highlighters and stuff, which is really cool. I'm gonna take Mirage, which is this one, and I'm using the ABH A23 highlighting brush. Oh, it's pretty. It's, oh my gosh, y'all, it's really pretty. It's really pretty. It doesn't look chalky. It's blending really nice. And they also have like a deeper highlighting shade right underneath it and a more pink one. Y'all, I'm taking more highlight, but I'm taking the Utopia shade, which is the darker gold. The pigment is insane. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna apply this on my brow bone, but I'm going back to the Mirage shade, which is the lighter one, and just pop it on my brow bone. This is a Makeup Addiction smudge brush. Y'all should definitely check out this palette. So I'm gonna just take the same pencil brush that I use, pop a little bit in the inner corner. I can't even deal right now. I don't even know what to say. BH, y'all came through, okay? All right, so let me put that palette down before I look like a disco ball. So I'm just going to take that same bronzer brush that I used, go over everything, make sure nothing is too harsh. And so for lips, I'm just gonna line my lips with this NK lip liner. I still use these, y'all. It's amazing, and it's only $1 at the beauty supply store. So for lipstick, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cool Brown matte lipstick. Not really sure if I want to do brown. Okay, I'm gonna keep this lipstick on because I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a brown lip or like a dark purple or something. Yeah, I really like how this look turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, and I need some water, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look. I got tired of those stud earrings, so I put on some hoop earrings, and I flat ironed my hair. I didn't feel like curling it anymore, and this hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. I will list all the information and the exact hair that I'm wearing down in the description box, and all the makeup products that I use will be down in the description box, so please check that out. Super excited that fall is almost here, and I can't wait to throw out these bomb fall looks for you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost to 100K, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.